Hello everyone. In this video, we'll continue our DB2 tutorial and let's talk a little bit more about columns. So the first thing, I want to recreate our table from the previous video. So first, let me show you. As you see, simple table with two columns. So I will run this command to recreate it. And if you don't know what are these options, you need to go to the previous video. There I explained. So the file name is file. And now I have again my table. So if I describe it, table fruits, as you see, we have there two columns. Perfect. So let's say now we want to add a new column, and the column name is fruit underscore quantity, and let's say the data type is integer. So how to do it? You need to type DB2 and then the double quotations, and now alter table, the table name fruits, and now add column. Now column name fruit underscore quantity, and now data type I said integer. Run. Now when you describe the table again, as you see, we have a new column with this data type. Perfect. Now let's say you want to add more than one column. Let's say you want to add two. For example, fruit underscore add with data type timestamp, and a second one, fruit underscore add underscore by, and then varchar 20. Maybe you want to write a name of a person who add the record, for example. So let me first clean the screen, and now we type db2 alter table fruits add column. This is the first one, fruit underscore add timestamp. Now the second one, add column fruit underscore add underscore by varchar 20. Now I run. When I describe the table, I see now 5 records. Good. So now let's say, for example, you want to rename this column and change from fruit underscore quantity to fruit underscore qty, for example. At this time, you need to type first db2 and the double quotation, alter table. Now fruits is our table, and now rename column. Old name is fruit underscore quantity to now the new name fruit underscore qty. Now describe again, and I have the new name. Perfect. Now let's say you want to change the data type of a column. For example, you don't want to write the name of the person who add the record. Maybe you want to write the ID of the person. So you don't need any more varchar, you need integer. Let me first clear the screen, and now type db2 as always, alter table, and the table is fruit, and now alter column, and the column name is fruit at, I said, by, and now set data type, and now the new data type, I said I want to change it to integer. Perfect. And now let me describe the table, and as you see, we have the new data type. Perfect. Now, for example, you want to delete this column. Here you can use the drop column command. So you type db2, the double quotation, alter table again, fruits, and now drop column. when you use a drop, please be careful. I tell you this all the time because when you drop a column, you delete also the data inside it and you will never see it again. So please be careful when you use drop generally. So drop a column, and now the column name. I say I want to drop the column fruit underscore qty, and now run. And now describe again the table. And as you see, we have 4. We don't have no more the column fruit underscore qty. You can also drop more than one column. So let me drop this one and this one. So again, I will use the alt command. I will type fruit underscore add, and now again drop column fruit add by. Now run and describe again, and as you see, we return to our start and we have only 2 columns. I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. In the next video, we will talk about the first constraint. So see you there. Bye.